Hello my loves, welcome to my YouTube channel. I know today I'm doing something different because it was raining when I was shooting this video. So here I used Signature Cosmetics eyeshadow primer, and I'm just setting it with my Revlon Candid setting powder, which is number 2. So the first shade that we are going to use is the black shade from Beauty Treats Rose Gold Nude Eye Collection. So today we are using the spoon to cut the crease, which is the most simplest way to cut the crease. So what you basically just do is you follow the shape of your spoon. Then at the outer part of your eye, you turn the spoon and shape again. So it's going to give you the direction on where to cut your crease. I did not like the shape of which my spoon has given me, so I guess next time I have to use another spoon. So now we are going into Playgirl Matte Single Eyeshadow, and we are going to blend the black, and the shade is Bonfire. You just blend just right next to the black. And now we are going into Monsoon. I think it's Monsoon from Playgirl Single Eye Palette. So you just blend right on top of the Bonfire. So now I'm just taking the very same brush, this very same brush I have used to apply the black. I'm not tapping into any product. I'm just using the excess product. So now you just blend everything together using a clean blending brush. So to cut the crease, I'm going into Crease Cosmetics, and I'm going to use that shade. It doesn't have a name. It's all round concealer palette. So what you basically just do, you follow the exact shape that you got from your spoon. So this is the most easiest cut crease. It's for my beginners. If you don't get this one, then I don't know. I don't know. So my advice is use the spoon that is a little bit round instead of the one that I have used. Like, I did not like the shape, like I did not like it, but it is what it is. It is what it is. As you can see, it was very easy for me to cut the crease because I already had a direction on where to cut it. So now I'm going into in the mood for Nude. That's Playgirl. The shade of this eyeshadow palette is True Nude. So I used this shade. I'm not sure if it's a nude shade or a white because it's in between nude and white. So I just used it on my inner part of the eye, and I'm going back into Monsoon single eyeshadow palette from Playgirl. So basically I just applied it on right next to the first shade. So we are going back into Bonfire just to blend the outer part of the eye. We just blend it with the Monsoon. It's Monsoon or Monsoon, whatever it is. So you just blend them together, and I'm going back into Monsoon as well. So when you apply eyeshadow, guys, it's all about back and forth. So I'm going back into the black from Beauty Treats Rose Gold Nude. I'm just blending it with the brown shade. So now I'm just blending out the outer part using a clean blending brush. So just to clean everything, you can use your foundation or the concealer that is your shade. just to clean the outer part of your eyes, just to have a clean application. So yeah guys, that is basically how you can cut your crease. You know, I did not like the fact that I used glitter on this, but it is what it is. So guys, I will see you on my next video. Thank you so much for watching. I just hope that you have enjoyed. Goodbye.